Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Welcome to Beema's Crafty Corner. I am Beema, better known as Els. And this is Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. This is episode 7. And what it is I will give you a random 5 random prompts that are mixed media style, mostly stuff that you have in your home or in your craft room. And you can create whatever you want. And then if you feel like it, you can send it over to the Facebook group and post it in our group. We'd love to see it. This is a copy of our standard Saturday night mixed media list. You can get a copy of this by clicking on the more in the description box. It'll take you down, and there's a link to this in my Google Drive. So I'm going to pick 5 random ones here. Well, the computer's going to pick 5 random ones. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 22 on our list is add lines. That one hasn't been out in a while. The next one up is number 5, which is music, book, or dictionary pages. Music, book, dictionary pages. We'll talk about them. Number 47, which is outline. Ooh, this one's going to be fun. Number 12, stencil. Ooh. And the last one for this week is number 42, and that is to doodle. All right, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Let's talk about these. So, adding lines. You can do this any way that you want. You can draw them, paint them, use the side of a credit card, however you want to add some lines. It could be straight lines, wavy lines, funky lines. Maybe you want to put some masking tape down on your substrate, paint over it, and then pull those tapes off and leave those lines. That is entirely up to you. Music, book, or dictionary pages, you can add these any way that you want. You can tear them into strips. You can use a whole page. Maybe you want to use that as your substrate. Entirely up to you. Outline. This just means that you're going to outline something that you've placed on the page. Maybe you put the tape on the page, you paint over it, you let it dry, you outline the tape, you pull the tape off. I don't know. Stencils. So you're going to stencil on here. Now you can stencil with anything you want. You can stencil with paint. You can stencil with texture paste. You can stencil with medium. You can stencil with shimmer paste. Whatever it is you have, you can stencil with that. And doodle is just that. Just doodle. Just whatever it is. You can draw stars and hearts and clovers and, oh wait, that's a cereal. Moons. Diamonds. That's a cereal, right? Okay, so go ahead and do all of those. Again, if you would like a copy of the list or you want to post your creation to the Facebook group, you can do that by clicking on more in the description box below, and there's going to be some links down there that are going to help you to get those things put in. Of course, if you have questions, just ask. We're always here to help. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.